to this race game, and this is Would You Rather. Would you press the button? Let's begin. Your toilet seat, your toilet is always clean, but you can never eat Nutella. I don't eat Nutella, so I'll press that button. Yes. Hey, you can live in a world with mutants like an X-Men and choose your own powers, but when you get injured, you will experience twice as much pain. No, I will not. Why would you guys do that? Okay, why would you want to experience twice as much pain as you do as a human? You could breathe underwater, but you will be high danger for sharks everywhere. Okay, mm, I will not take that chance. You will have fabulous hair for the rest of your life, but your ears start to look like the heads of snakes. No, you're controlled. You control the world in office in space with the power to see anything on Earth. You, but you may never leave your office ever again. Heck nah. You can create music and movies straight from your head with new technology that is free to you, but you will have to sacrifice either your sense or sight or sound. Dude, this is this is really difficult. My sense, sight, or sound. Sense. Okay, so that all with the stupid. You you have an unbreakable iPhone that gets better and better the longer you have it, but you cannot change phones. Your iPhone is permanently stuck on loud settings with the most annoying ringtone as possible. I can live with that. You will live the exact same life, but you have one save and load from any point in your life. You can load after death, but at some point during your life, you have to kill someone per the request of some unseen divinity. No. Oh shoot! I clicked the wrong thing. You'll be instantly Tumblr famous. Your blog is only where you press the button. .com at stream. .com screenshot. That's okay with me. You are immortal and can fly and have infinite money every day. You have to eat 10 tarantulas or else one person that you have that you love dies. Okay, I will not eat tarantulas or hidden humans that die. You get the $1 million, but you must fight as get what? Look at this. You oh hold up guys. No. You wouldn't you would show every truth about everything that has exist, but no one will believe you. Anything and family and would start to dislike you. No, can do that. Why would you choose that? You can cure cancer, but you will be the last person in the world to die of cancer. I will not. when you press the but oh, you can fly whenever you want, but you can never stop moving. It's really hard for me not to move, so sure. You can have sex with whoever they want at any time, but you will never have a long lasting relationship. Well, I never do have long lasting. It's like months or so. If you press the button, hold up, stop, charger. If you press the button, you will instantly be reborn. If in fictional world you choose anime, superhero, sci-fi, or etc. While you bring, while you will retain your memories, being reborn means that you will not be the main character, may never meet that character, and you have no control over what race, breed, sex you are. It is random. No, my boy, ain't doing it. You are blessed with incredibly good luck, but your luck is reversed for one day each month. I'm okay with that. I'm okay. You get superpowers of your choice, but you can never share or cut any hair on your body. I mean, shave. I would not. You can travel into the anime world, but never back to this. I will not. I don't like anime. Katy Perry wins a Grammy. She stays irrelevant. But okay. I don't like her. You may kill any person you want at any time, but thinking about it, no one will ever know was you unless you confess, and even they probably won't believe it. You, but you must kill at least one person a week, or else you will die. Okay, so I can be immortal if I kill one person a week. But will I ever get caught? I said they don't believe me. So, no. Life is too precious. You have anything. You can have anything you want, but you're trapped in dome for a dome for eternity. I will not. Okay, YouTube. I will end this right here. I hope you like and enjoy, and subscribe.